Hello, teacher. Hi, my name is Mayra Alejandra Porero Espinosa. I 35 years old. I'm from Santander. I work in Bogota and study psychology at UNAD. Then to the presentation, I am go to dive about some activities I did learn Christmas and typical recipe of my region. The last Christmas I was very happy. I visited my family in Santander. We were together in my town with one out there and family for Dan and I really enjoyed this time with them. Sometimes Dan we really enjoy and going out and family to start Aruepas, Bosnian chicken and brush, which I want to talk about today and describe and ingredients and preparation. Ingredients 100 grams of bread flour, 50 grams of coastal cheese, 2 tablespoons of butter, 100 grams of brush. Preparation in a container, place the brush together with salt and spices. Then in another container, add the flour along with the crudian cheese. Add in water stored in chol. Imaginable consistency is a chain. Then with crew with the brush and add mayonnaise to taste. And finally we open the arepa and fill it with chicken and this way that everybody to enjoy that. And they say way and be you to prepare this delicious arepas and enjoy that with your family. Thank you. Goodbye.